Hi guys, now what you are seeing now is what doctors and nurses have to face and go through in most hospitals in Africa, right? Most hospitals in Africa look like this. Most hospitals in Ghana, Nigeria, and Niger, Burkina Faso, most African hospitals look like this. This is what nurses have to go through. This is what doctors have to go through, right? This is happening in Africa. You know the funny things? Our presidents, our ministers, basically our politicians, they don't go to these hospitals. When they are sick, when they need surgery, they go to abroad, right? They go to UK, they go to America, they go to Germany, right? They go to all these fancy hospitals abroad for treatment, and they leave this for us to go through, right? They leave this bad situation for us to go through. Now look at this hospital. Now this guy is on a surgery bed, right? They are just coming to operate on him, and the light the doctors would use, the surgeons will use, is not working. This is what they have to face every day. So when we come online and we are angry, we want this to stop. When we are mad, we want this to stop, right? So instead of insulting us every day when we get angry, talk about this as well, so that this will change. Talk about this so that our politicians will deal with these things, so that one day when your family member is sick, he or she will not go through this. When your son is sick, he or she will not go through this. When your brother is sick, he or she will not go through this. When your friend is sick, this will not happen. This is what makes me angry all the time. This is what makes me mad, because these things are happening. People die not because of the sickness they have cannot be cured. People die on surgery bed not because they cannot survive the illness they have. But it's because of the equipment most of the times that are available to the doctors to use, right? Why won't this guy die? Right? You see, the surgeon, the doctor there is spending time to turn this light on. A time that he could use to be thinking about how to save this guy's life. He's spending this time to work on this light. This is what happens in most hospitals in Africa. Right? So when we get angry, when I get angry and I come online and you're insulting me, this will not stop me. Your insult will not stop me. I'll keep talking when our politicians are not doing their job. I'll keep shouting. I'll keep talking. Right? Just watch this. Why won't you get angry? Right? Why won't you get angry? Right? Thank you for watching.